there and welcome to this demo of Storify. Now Storify is a brand new AI platform that allows you to create stories based on your unique voice. The only thing that you have to do is record your voice inside the software, or you can upload an existing audio file and Storify will create a transcription based on your voice or upload. Once your transcription is ready, you can link any word to a specific action. For example, if we click on image, we can connect an image to that specific word. Simply upload your image and boom! Look at this, your image is connected to your story and it's connected to that specific word. Now, similar, you can connect all other actions to your words. For example, if you want to add a call to action button, simply select the word you want to link it to, select call to action button, describe the call to action, let Storify know where you want to link to, and boom, your call to action button is now inside of your story. Furthermore, we have quotes, where you can add quotes directly inside of your story. Or maybe you want to highlight specific parts. Simply add the highlight and boom, it's in your timeline. The same thing for definitions. Simply select the word, add the definition, and voila, it's in your timeline. Want to list items? No problem. Simply add the list item to a word, specify what you like to say, and there it is, inside of your story. Same thing for profiles. You can directly link to your profile. You simply upload your profile picture, fill out your name, your social media channels or website, and boom, it's inside your story. Now, how cool is that you can share stories with your voice? No camera needed, but a very powerful story that you can share on social media, through your emails, or however you would like to share them. Look at this example, how a story will look like once it's finished.
Being an email marketer, Storify can be used to take your business to the next level. Now you can make your emails more interesting by sharing stories about products, events, and anything else inside your emails and boost your clicks, open rates, and conversions in a hands-down manner.
You see how powerful that is? And that's in a nutshell what Storify is all about.
Hey, get this clear. The traditional ways of marketing and offer to your customers are slowly becoming obsolete. Yep, gone are the days when you could boost sales by sending emails to customers, promoting offers using broadcast messages, creating long videos that literally bore your customers, or driving traffic by writing long blogs that no one cares to read. Today, when the online audience is exposed to so much noise around, your marketing content needs to be more than just informative to truly captivate an audience. Now, you must be wondering, what's the latest trend I'm talking about, and how do I get my message delivered to a hungry audience smoothly? Well, here we go. Giving a smart audio experience using interactive audio is the next big thing in content marketing. Interactive audios are quicker to make than a video or webinar and more interactive than a PDF or PowerPoint. They often replace these tedious forms of business communication and provide teams with more engaging long-form content. Here are some stats to support my claim. Interactive content generates 4 to 5 times more page views than static content. 88% of marketers say interactive content helps brands differentiate themselves. 80% of marketers who leverage audio content will invest more budget in 2023. The click-through rate of interactive audio and videos is 10 times higher than a passive video. 79% say combining interactive content with other content types improves message retention. So, if you too are looking to boost audience engagement and get maximum visitors connected to your offers, without paying huge on running paid ads, without depending on expensive third-party traffic platforms, without running after self-proclaimed marketing gurus, or without creating multiple social media marketing campaigns? Then you're in for a treat today. Allow me to introduce Storify, breakthrough AI-based interactive content creation technology that combines human voice with interactive feed and gets higher customer engagement in 3 easy steps. Step number 1, record. To get started, record audio through the web interface or upload existing audio. Step number 2, link. Now comes the second part, where you can attach interactive links, social profiles, images, and more in just a few clicks. Step number 3, inform. Boom, you're almost done. Go ahead and captivate the audience by sharing your interactive audio via URL or display it on your own site with our embeddable web player. Here are some of the countless benefits you get. Make more authentic personal connections using your voice. Present everything from sales follow-ups and thought leadership to investor presentations in a fresh, multimodal format. Get your messages noticed and accelerate your sales. Make personalized pitches, demos, and follow-ups that will stand out. Build trust using your authentic voice to follow up on conversations. Use this no-code, no audio editor solution to help you make a professional deliverable without any tech or marketing hassles. Take my word, if you're tired of going nowhere and want to take complete control of your business, then Storify is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a lower price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee. So, if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. Storify will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So, you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get Storify for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.